Hello everyone, my name is Sovirak Chuon, a student from Civil Engineering Department. So today I'm going to show you how to solve the exercise using PermaLearn. So let's begin with my video altogether. So first let me introduce the tool in PermaLearn. So you can see at the left hand side there are lots of toolbars. So it's contain member, support, hinge, joint load, point load, linear distributed load, and the last is about the solution display. And on the right hand side we have grid side, mass side, and also the unit system. So we can change it also, but nowadays we use SI, so I put SI as normal. And this part is a very important part because we have to type our data of the exercise to it. So to know how to solve the exercise using PermaLearn, so let me pick it up one exercise from the textbook to show all of you. So let's open the textbook. So let's consider I pick this exercise 7.15 to solve in PermaLearn. So the exercise wants us to determine the internal normal force, shear force, and moment at point C. So first let me draw everything information of the exercise into PermaLearn. So let's draw the beam first. The total length of the beam is 6 meters, so I type it 6. So I click it add. Then let me add the support of the exercise. So at joint A, this support we call it roller, so I put roller and press add. And at joint B we have the pin support, so I pick it pin and click it add. So now let's move to the load tab. So this exercise we call the load tab is about the distributed load, so we click add a linearly distributed load and we have to choose our member. For the load tab is about the vertical load and it started from 6 kilonewton, but since the force is moving downward, so we have to make minus negative 6 kilonewton and it's end to 0, so I put it 0 and click it add. Until you have added all data of the exercise to PermaLearn. So now let's move to the solution altogether. So first we have to check the reaction force of the support, so we click a display. So as you can see that at joint A, the A1 is equal to 12 kilonewton, and at joint B, B1 is equal to 6 kilonewton. So now let's move to the normal force. So let me tell you that PermaLearn will show you the whole normal force of the exercise, diagram of the exercise, but in our exercise just want to know at point C. So as you know that point C is in the middle, so you just click in the middle. So normal force at point C is equal to 0. And for the shear force, PermaLearn will also show the whole diagram of the shear force, but since we want to know only at point C, you just click in the middle. So the answer will given minus 1.5 kilonewton. So the last is about the bending moment. So at point C, the bending moment is equal to 13.5 kilonewton meter. So let me tell you that if we trust this website or not. So let's check the solution book altogether to see what the answer of the solution have. So here is the exercise that we have solved in PermaLearn. Let me zoom a little bit. So as you can see that at the moment B1 is equal to 6 kilonewton is the same answer as PermaLearn given, and also the shear force at point C is equal to minus 1.5 kilonewton and also is the same as PermaLearn given, and the moment at point C is also equal to 13.5 kilonewton. So last we can conclude that we surely trust that website called PermaLearn. So PermaLearn is a website tool which is a good website that can help civil engineering students to solve the exercise quickly as well. So this is how we solve the exercise in PermaLearn. So that's all for my video today. Thank you for your watching.